How to make £100 a day and work from anywhere in the world. I have actually been asked how to make £100 a day many times throughout the years by members of my neighbourhood. I guess since it's a great round number, something that's easy to gauge as well as does not appear too hard to obtain. If you started generating $100 a day, that would correspond to about 3,000 a month or 36,000 a year. For lots of that would suffice to give up a job, circumnavigating the world, as well as created your life the way you desire it. At least it would certainly suffice to substantially improve anybody's quality of life. I can discuss online survey websites, enrolling in apps that provide complimentary cash money or generating income via the internet shopping, and I have actually included one website that offers all this at the end of the listing. However, as my website is all about just how to start a way of life business you can run throughout the globe, I'd rather offer you approaches that as soon as used you can begin to either produce passive earnings or build true economic liberty, as well as an expanding to a method past £100 a day. Let's begin with my favourite. Exactly how to make £100 a day blog writing. $100 each day is excellent target when beginning a brand new blog. Based upon individual experience, it's more feasible to strike that goal within a year, even with simply a couple of months depending on the technique selected. Here's exactly how to make money blogging. Marketing earnings. Let's start with the most uncomplicated marketing. This is one of the easiest ways to make money blogging, and a bit more than the numbers video game. Much more site visitors equals much more income. Straightforward? Register for a solution like AdSense and install advertisement placeholders throughout your website. Within these placeholders, ads will certainly be presented and you'll earn a small amount each time an advertisement is clicked. Marketing revenue is based upon RPM, revenue per 1,000 site visitors, meaning for every 1,000 people on your blog site, you make a specific quantity of cash. There are a lot of variables that influence this number, consisting of which nation your visitors are from. For example, US target markets have much higher RPMs compared to Eastern nationals. What kind of material you write about. Ads are particularly based on what your blog site web content is on. If you cover insurance as an example, then your ads will certainly have to greater worth than those on the stamp collector's blog site. The number of advertisements you get on your site, the more advertisements normally mean more revenue, however, not always. Where these advertisements are placed, calculated locations that increase viewability result in higher earnings. Exactly how large these advertisements are. Advertisements have been available in all sizes and shapes, however, ought to be customized, suited to the space you are placing them in. Now, bigger is not constantly far better. Generating income online via ad income has been around for a long time. But nowadays, generating income throughout marketing is 10 times much easier and also much more profitable than it used to be. Enter Premium Advertisements Network. These are businesses whose single objective is to constantly evaluate and also optimize advertisements positioning on your website to enhance marketing profits. It's hard to offer any kind of precise numbers as RPMs can differ hugely from site to site. Nevertheless, profit through a site like Medivine can be 10 times more than if you were solely handling all advertisements yourself with AdSense. To get into these premium ads, you require to have a specific quantity of website traffic each month. Now here are a couple of examples. Exotic, 10,000 sessions monthly. Medivine, 50,000 sessions each month. AdThrive, 100,000 page views each month. Now, how to make $100 a day on Medivine from Medivine.com. So, the number of site visitors do you require to make $100 each day from blogging? Well, assume a few various RPMs. RPMs equal $3. You would certainly need 33.333 visitors per day. RPM equals $5. You would certainly require 20,000 site visitors per day. RPM equaling £15, you would need 6,666 visitors daily. RPM equaling $25, you would need 4,000 visitors each day. And also, yes, RPMs really do vary this much. Now, I hope this explains some of the RPMs and what you need to do for a site covering these adverts. Now, I do hope you've learned a little from what I've put up on this video. If you like my videos, then please press the like button below and the bell up the top, and next to it is all. Press that all and they'll inform you when I put another video up on YouTube. A quick reminder that underneath my video there are links to different sites. If you purchase anything from my link, I will gain a small commission, and I do hope you'll be back to see more videos. And this is Ian Jackson saying goodbye and thank you for watching.